Welcome to day 5 of the 12 days of Christmas. I'll be putting out a new drawing every 2 days from now until Christmas, so don't miss out. For those of you that are new here, my name is Michelle Moreus and I make art tutorials that are fun, easy, and accessible for everyone. Today's drawing is a really simple candy cane, which you could make into a card, and anybody would love to get something handmade from you. I've only used one Ohuhu marker. I've used a red Polychromos color pencil, a cream Polychromos color pencil, and a graphite pencil. So the materials are very small in this drawing and very, very simple to do. Make sure you start with a really good sketch. This is a very simple drawing, so your sketch is pretty simple. And then I started by going in with my red Ohuhu marker and mapping in all of those stripes. The next thing I do is I go in with my red Polychromos color pencil, and I'm just adding in some deeper, darker shadows to the inside part of the candy cane and where it's going to be a little bit darker. We're going to pop our wrapper and our highlights for our wrapper with an acrylic white pen, but that's the last stage of the drawing. So I've gone in with my cream color pencil and I filled in the white parts of the candy cane. I wanted it to stand out against the white of the paper, and honestly candy canes aren't pure white anyway, so it does stand out a little bit better from the white paper that I'm using. I'm using a Strathmore 400 smooth Bristol paper, so it can take a lot of layers of color pencil, it can take a lot of layers of marker, and you won't have any trouble with anything bleeding through. What really makes this stand out on the paper is when you put that shadow in some graphite. And I'm just using a blending stump to blend that out so you have a nice smooth shadow, and then using my kneaded eraser to clean everything up. And now we're going to go in with our jelly roll pen, or in my case I'm using a white acrylic marking pen, and we're going to go ahead and put in our lines for our wrapper. You don't have to go verbatim on these lines, just look at how the plastic wraps around the candy cane and that it's like a tight plastic wrap and how those folds go, and then just duplicate that onto your drawing. It will look realistic no matter how you do it. Just make those lines kind of straight, and then where it curves, that it curves around the candy cane itself. Now I'm going to go in with my red color pencil and I'm just going to reinforce some of those areas around where I've just put that white acrylic pen. If you're enjoying today's tutorial, I'd love it if you guys would smash that like button, leave me a comment below. I really enjoy hearing from each and every one of you, and I do get back to all of you. And please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a safe and joyous holiday, and happy art.